Hello everyone, in today's lecture we will see how we can implement a web view in Android. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel DevWisdom. So we'll just see what is the output that we are expecting. So what I want is that if I give some sample HTML, like if I'm giving some HTML code which I already have, I should be able to display that within my app. So I don't want it to be redirected to any kind of a browser, but whatever is the HTML page, it should open within my app. Or if I have some kind of a website, so here I have given the link for so here I have given the link for the HTML file. Instead, if I'm saying my webview.load URL, and if I'm giving some kind of a website, say simply .google.com, we'll just try to run this. So whatever the website is there, even that is opening within the app. So I'm not redirected to any kind of a browser or anything, but within the app. So if I want to implement a web view in this way, so let's see how we can go ahead with this. So I've created a new project over here. The first thing that we are going to do is I'm going to go to my main activity. I'm going to delete this text view. Here in my palette, I'm going to search for web view and I'm going to drag and drop it over here. Okay, once I've dragged and dropped it over here, I'm going to give my constraints. Okay, so I've given my constraints over here. Let us give this web view some ID. So I'm going to call this as ID and simply web view. Okay, next thing is before give it permission in manifest. So I am going to use internet permission because I want to open the web page within my app. So the internet permission. So we are done with our XML file and manifest file. Now let us go ahead with our Java. Okay. So the first thing that we are going to do over here, that is going to create a reference for the web view. So it's going to be in this way. Web view is equal to find view by ID r dot ID dot, what is the ID that we have given over here? Web view. I'll just start it over here. So we are done with this. So I have given the reference. Simply if I want to now load any kind of web page within my app, I can do it in this way. Webview.load URL. And here we can give whatever is a web page. So if I'm giving over here, okay, now let us try to run this. So you can see my web page is available in this way. Now, if I want that the web pages which are supporting the JavaScript, that should be enabled as well. So I need to add one more line over here. WebView dot get settings dot set JavaScript enabled. And here I'm going to say true. So what will this do basically? So basically this line, it will enable the JavaScript if it is required by the website. So this was for the website. Now what if I have my own HTML file which is there and I want it to be loaded within my app? Okay. So in this case, we'll have to create a assets folder, and within the assets folder, I'll have to save my HTML code. So now how do you create the assets folder? So here we'll just see what is a path where all the projects are getting saved. If I try to see this right over here, open, see, okay, so this is the path of my folder. I'm just going to copy the same path over here. So this is my basically within my web view, this is the path. Here I'm going in my app folder. Within the app folder, I'm going inside the src folder. In src folder, I'm going in main. And here, where inside your main, this is a place where you're supposed to create the assets folder. So name it properly. It will be called as assets. So you're supposed to name it. And whatever is the HTML file, now it's going to come over here inside this. So here you can create your HTML file. So I'll close this. Okay. Now if you can see over here, the assets folder has been generated over here as well. Now I'm coming over here and I'm coming, say, new file, and I'm going to give the file name as sample.html. So this is how my HTML file can be created over here. Now within this HTML file, I'm going to write some simple HTML code which I can display in my web view. So it will be done in this way. I'll just write HTML code, doc type HTML, close the tag. Close the tag. Here we can just start with HTML. Say my language is equal to English. Here I'll have my head and body tag. I'll have my body tag over here. Okay. Within the head tag, just let us give a simple title for now. So I'm going to give the title, say, sample web page. I'll give a header tag. Let us indent this. Okay. I'll give a header tag which says welcome. And then let us give a paragraph tag which says this page is opening within the app. So in this way, you can embed your HTML files within your Android app. Okay. Oh, we are still left to give. So this is google.com. We have to make the changes over here. So I'll just comment this and we'll give the file path over here. So this is how you're supposed to give the file path, WebView dot load URL, and then the file name. So the file name will be given in the following way. File. Then after file, you can just write colon, triple slashes, then Android asset. It's not assets over here, it's just asset. And whatever is the name of your HTML file. The name of the HTML file is sample.html. So I have given that. And let us run this again. Yeah, so in this way, if you can see, my whatever the HTML file is that is with the opening within the app. So this was a simple way how you can implement a web view in Android. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Dev Wisdom. Thank you.